Adidas just launched the product testing program, which is a program that allows people like you and me to get over $500 of free products every single month. This is Finance Strategist, and I'm here to uncover all the strategies to save money and live our best lifestyle. In this video, I will show you the program, how to apply, who can qualify, and what to do after you get the product. In 2023, Adidas noticed that the customers were highly unsatisfied with the products that were just being released to the public. In order for them to fix any mistake, they requested people to join this program so they could share a review before launching the product to the public. To qualify for this program, you need to live in the Americas or in Europe and be between the age of 18 to 66 years old. If you're eligible or know someone that is, keep watching the video. Now let's dive into the application process. Differently from other programs, Adidas wants very specific information about you, but don't worry, you can find on Google some average measurement based on your size that will likely fit you. Now let's get into the website. I put the link in the video description, and while you go click it, subscribe and like the video. From the very beginning, Adidas is telling us that we're not gonna get paid cash for this service, but we're gonna get free products, which is pretty good. Now we have to select the continent where we live in. I live in the United States, so I will select America. After selecting the continent, we're gonna click Get Started. Here you can select both options, and the reason why is because it increases your odds to receiving more products. After completing this section, just click Next and get to the next page. When it comes to the apparel size, select the size that you generally wear and then click on the size chart. This will help you to determine which size will likely fit you. For your footwear size details will be the same story. Just click on the size chart and answer the question with that data. After answering the question, move to next. And now we're getting to category of interest. This is a very tricky question, so make sure to listen carefully. You can read here a lot of different categories, but what you want to select is originals. If you select any other category, you're gonna get asked a lot of questions, so originals is the easiest way to go. This section, you will have to answer honestly how many hours a week you will be wearing the Adidas clothes. And as far as the shoe type, just select all of them. We're getting now to the final steps, and this is very important. Make sure that the address you select is where you can receive the package. Also, make sure to include all real information, because if you don't, you might miss out on the delivery. And after all this work, I don't know about you, but I would not want to miss out. When you're done with your information, just make sure to click all the check boxes and read the terms, and then click Next. And now the moment we were all waiting, rule of thumbs, and we got accepted. If you see this message on your screen, that means that you've been accepted to the program. And the least you can do is subscribe to the channel and click like to the video. Now, as you can see from the screen, it will take a little bit of time for you to receive your first package, but once you get started with the program, there's no way they're gonna stop sending you products. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, comment down below and I will answer all of them.